we are at a live and VW Volkswagen show. It is all going off. Well, it's Friday. Show and shine is not on till tomorrow. Let's get messy.
Big up the WGC dubbers and the Dunstable dubbers. You're in the front of the that cake mix, cause I'm doing in the mix.
Simon has a secret about it. And it's gonna go on.
Someone's a bit drunk.
Oh, here's the boy.
It was somebody's idea to make me come here and start drinking straight away. And my daughter's just turned up. Ow! Go on, Darren.
Oh, my God.
Don't be so fire though, because it took us ages to get that going.
Well, good morning. Whew. Bit hungover. Today is show and shine day, so we will get the rat rod cleaned up once my missus has stopped being hungover too, and I can get her out of the van and out of bed, and I'll get the show started over on the show and shine field. This show, I always forget how good this show is. It's not until you drive down here and you drive in. You go to so many shows, it's not until you drive down and you drive in the gate, you look around and you're like, oh, it's this show. Yeah, I forgot how good this show was, so I'm looking forward to this afternoon. Getting my van over there on display. Only problem I've got to do is get my very hungover girlfriend out of my van. That's always the hard part of putting your vehicles on display in a show and shine. If you've got somebody that sleeps in the van with you, getting them out. I shall get back to this when she's up. Actually, I think I'll have some breakfast first. Make some nice breakfast and try and get her out of bed, and then get the van over on display and show you lots of some wicked vehicles. Get ready for this. Today's show and shine is called Anything Goes. It's for any make and model.
Here they are, the troublemakers.
Some bloke behind me chatting on the things quite loud. Yeah, it's called Anything Goes, any make and model. somebody that really likes my van. This
Yeah,
man here.
definitely, yeah.
What's your
I
name?
love it.
What's your...
My name is Benjamin.
Benjamin. Wow, you're standing in front of the van, Benjamin. There you go. Thumbs up. Hey, brilliant. Thank you, Benjamin. I'm glad you love my van.
Definitely.
Fist bump. Hey, brilliant, mate. And the winner with his scooter. Well done, Cam. Right, anyway, I bumped into somebody at the show that you may recognise from Cricket Customs, also his new venture, which is called Old Volkshome. You should go and check out their channel. It's an amazing channel. I follow them. They've actually been an inspiration for me. This here is Matt.
Hello. Welcome to my T4 Synchro.
Right, Matt, do you want to tell us about your T4? Actually, before we start, you don't see many of these. I've seen a lot of T4s in my time. I love T4s, as you know, but you very, very rarely see a proper synchro. And if you don't know what synchro is, it's a T4 that's got four-wheel drive.
Originally it was a 2.4 non-turbo. Go on to my channel, you see I've done a PD conversion to it, but since then I put a 2.5 5-cylinder back in it. I believe this one's been mapped as well. I think he's running 16 psi boost. I've redone all the pump timing, so the pump timing is correct. A lot of it on the laptop as well. We've lifted it a little bit. I've got 50mm blockage on it.
Wow.
So I can lift it a little bit more. I've got off-road tyres on it, and we're painting it Raptor. We're painting the Raptor because the bodywork's not perfect on it. What it is now we're painting it. But yeah, we had a few dents in that, and it would have taken a lot of time to do that, and it would have done to do what we've done. And it looks really tidy, and because it looks like it's
really tidy.
And I've cut the bumper slightly as well. But yeah, that's about it really.
Yeah, you're going for get the tyres on it at the moment. They rumble quite a bit, don't they?
Yeah. So we're going to go for a knobbly tyre on the side, but more of a road going tyre.
Yeah.
Mostly like an all-terrain tyre, so it's a little bit quieter. But otherwise that is pretty good.
Yeah, happy days. Right, happy days. Well, nice seeing you, Matt.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, we should be doing some stuff together in the future, hopefully.
Yep.
I'll be going to see them at some point and taking my vehicle down there for them to have a look at it, and I want to have a look at some more of their vehicles, so stay tuned for that. And anyway, nice to see you, Matt.
And you. Thank you very much.
Take care, man.
Cheers, mate.
Anyway, that is enough for the Saturday for you guys. Anyway, we're off to go out partying now. I'll catch you in the morning. You don't want to see what we're about to do. We're going out partying tonight. We'll see you in the morning. Hang on, I've got some dickhead in the background ruining me videos. Good morning. It is the morning after the night before, and it's a bit bright for my eyes at the minute. I'm just sat here with my cappuccino, and yeah, I'm just gonna wake up a bit and then get the van ready for today's proper show and shine, and then get ready to see some proper vehicles. Stay tuned for that. Well, that is the end of the show and shine. I didn't win, as you saw. A Beetle that's actually got paint on fake rust won the rat competition. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching, people, and I'll see you in the next one.